If you are holding off on buying a lightweight drone or eagerly waiting for the next evolution in personal aerial camera technology, the massive wave of leaks and supply chain reports surrounding the DJI Neo 3 battery life and release date demands your immediate attention. The microdrone market has reached a critical tipping point, where the boundary between budget selfie gadgets and full-fledged cinema tools is being completely erased. For months, drone pilots, bloggers, and solo creators across North America have been asking the exact same question: how much longer can DJI squeeze extra battery performance and advanced sensors into a palm-sized aircraft before hitting the absolute limit of physical battery chemistry and regulatory weight restrictions? To pinpoint exactly when the DJI Neo 3 will land on store shelves and what kind of real-world flight times we can expect, you have to look closely at DJI's internal release. Patterns and supply chain movements. Historically, DJI operates on a calculated product lifecycle, systematically refreshing its entry-level and micro-camera lineups to coincide with major retail demand cycles. Following the massive success of their early pocket-sized flyers and mid-cycle iterations, leaks coming directly out of Asian manufacturing hubs indicate that initial component testing and logic board trials for the Neo 3 architecture are progressing ahead of schedule. Industry insiders and regulatory watchers tracking global drone filings suggest that the launch window for the Neo 3 is strategically targeted to align with key tech release calendars. When you analyze how DJI manages FCC submissions in the United States, a distinct pattern emerges. Once prototype hardware clears internal stress testing, official documentation is submitted to federal communications databases, typically signaling a 3 to 4 month runway before the official public reveal and market rollout. For North American creators, this timing is crucial because it dictates not only when pre-orders will open, but also when retail shipments will begin arriving at doorsteps across the country. Now, let's talk about the parameter that every single drone enthusiast is obsessing over: the battery life. In the realm of sub-249 gram and pocket-sized aircraft, flight duration has always been the ultimate operational bottleneck. When you look at previous generations, official marketing specs boasted hover times in ideal, windless laboratory conditions, but real-world flying painted a vastly different picture. Between fighting breeze resistance, running high bitrate 4K video pipelines, and driving automated tracking algorithms, actual usable airtime often fell significantly short of what was printed on the box. Creators constantly found themselves rushing through shots, anxiously monitoring battery percentages, and carrying multiple extra packs just to complete a basic vlogging session. The leaked engineering blueprints for the DJI Neo 3 indicate that DJI's research and development division has made power density their #1 priority. Rather than simply packing in a slightly larger, heavier battery pack, which would instantly push the aircraft over critical regulatory weight brackets, DJI is reportedly deploying advanced silicon anode battery technology. This next-generation battery chemistry delivers a substantially higher energy density within the exact same physical footprint and mass. What does this mean in real-world numbers? Leaked prototype testing benchmarks suggest that the Neo 3 is targeting nominal flight times that push well past the 20-minute mark on a standard intelligent flight battery. In practical terms, an extra 5 to 7 minutes of active hover and tracking time completely transforms how creators use a palm launch drone. It allows a solo traveler to launch the aircraft, execute multiple automated quickshot orbits, run a long follow-me tracking sequence along a hiking trail, and execute a flawless palm landing without the constant panic of a forced low battery auto-return sequence. However, achieving extended battery life is only half the battle. How that energy is consumed internally is where the engineering gets fascinating. A major portion of battery drain in microdrones doesn't come from the motors alone, it comes from the heavy computational workload executed by the onboard image signal processor and vision sensors. Leaks indicate that the Neo 3 features a newly designed, highly efficient system on a chip built on an advanced semiconductor node process. This upgraded processor delivers double the AI processing power for real-time subject tracking and obstacle processing while drawing significantly less power per watt compared to older architectures. This energy efficiency directly impacts camera performance. With reduced power overhead from the processor, the Neo 3 can drive higher bitrate video recording and enhanced electronic image stabilization without overheating or prematurely draining the cell. Early rumors point toward a larger camera sensor capable of capturing crisp 4K video at elevated frame rates, offering expanded dynamic range and improved low-light clarity. For YouTubers and social media creators who shoot in challenging lighting, such as golden hour sunsets or shaded forest trails, this upgrade ensures that footage remains sharp, vibrant, and usable straight out of the camera. Another key factor influencing both the release date and overall battery strategy is the tightening regulatory landscape in the United States and international markets. Drone aviation authorities continue to monitor airspace safety, remote ID protocols, and weight compliance very strictly. Keeping the Neo 3 extremely light while adding active vision sensors, ultra-dense battery cells, and high-performance radio transmitters requires precise structural manufacturing. Reports suggest that DJI utilized light composite frame materials and aerodynamic duct ventilation to keep weight within safe boundaries while ensuring the body handles crash impacts without shattering internal components. When you assemble all the pieces of this puzzle, the supply chain timeline, regulatory filing windows, silicon anode battery breakthroughs, and enhanced processing efficiency, the trajectory for the DJI Neo 3 becomes remarkably clear. DJI isn't just rushing a product out to meet a deadline, they are carefully timing this release to set a new benchmark for ultra-portable content creation tools. If you are currently on the fence about upgrading your gear, waiting for the official Neo 3 announcement is the smartest move you can make right now. The combination of extended real-world airtime, intelligent power management, and frictionless palm launch mechanics will redefine what solo creators can achieve on the fly. Keep a close eye on incoming regulatory updates and official media teasers, because once pre-orders drop, demand for this game-changing microdrone is going to explode overnight.